Because what I like about
Do not close the trunk. Pull this. These are all clips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80-20. Okay, just clip, just hold on. Okay. Good.
pause.
Okay. Yes. They're just clip. Okay. Yeah, we will unplug the original connector. So the main one, this one for 360. 360. Okay, you can pause it. See it? Good. So there are purple and blue. Use. So we connect this one first. Connect the main one. Connect the main module. I find the blue to blue. Blue to blue. Purple to purple. Purple to purple. Make sure connected. And there are two more, I believe. 360. This one will connect this. Okay. And this one is the original parking for the parking sensor. Just put it back, connect it, and one more for the 360. 360 goes here. Okay, everything is connected, and we'll find a space for the module. Module underneath here, and make sure no wire is blocking the clip. No wire is blocking the clip. Make sure they are connected. Put this one like this. Okay. Okay. Screw back. Okay. Up. Ready? Okay. Put this one back. Good. One more. This.